Now there's no butterflies in the morning yet. Butterflies. It's too cold. Oh yeah, see, butterflies are frozen. 6 degrees in the morning. 6 degrees in the morning, they're all frozen. They're frozen cold. Frozen solid. That's that butterfly walk that we talked about all. And this tree here is the other selfie tree. This is the marvellous George tree. The tree here. Look at that. Look at that. It's Winnie the Pooh. There, look. They're trying to get the sun in the right water. The selfie times I've had in the morning. Yes. This tree, definitely, this is the largest tree here. It is the symbol of the wetlands. I'll pin up and get the top of the tree. Taking so many pictures with this tree. Now, it's the journey back. Hang on, I've got to check what time it is. Hey, let's go for the full walk around the tree. I'll get the different effects of the sunlight. There you go, look at that one, looking directly into the sun. Directly into the sun. And this is the perpendicular right angles to the sun, so it gets the sword effect. But the proper one without the coat, proper selfie, reminiscent of the selfie days. Now let's go to, that'll be 2 minutes ago, I'll be walking home.